So, meine Damen und Herren, euer Peter ist wieder am Start hier. Für euch aus Oberfranken. I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing high schools to be near you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night far away? I am dying, forever crying, to be with you. Who can say? Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night far away? I am dying, forever crying, to be with you. Who can say? We are sailing home again, across the sea. We are sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. Oh my Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh my Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh my Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh my Lord. I am riding across the sea. I am riding, forever crying, to be with you. Who can see? So, meine Damen und Herren, vielen herzlichen Dank